Where are my soul sisters? Let me hear y'all flow, sister.
Hey, sister, go, sister, soul, sister, flow, sister.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, your sister, EuniUnni in the house today, and I'm so happy to see every single one of you. Now, I have a question for you guys. Do you ever feel like your skin is getting thinner? Yes, you probably all have, because our skin tends to become thinner as we age. Plus, it's not just with aging. Thinning of the skin may occur because of so many different reasons. Number one, when the level of collagen in the skin decreases and you start to lose skin elasticity. Number two, it can be because of a long-term use of products that does not fit your skin, or it breaks down your skin barrier or makes your skin irritated or sensitive. Three, there may be other reasons due to your daily habits like stress, hormones, lack of sleep, or even unhealthy eating habits. Luckily, there are a number of things that you can do to make your skin more firm, thicker, and stronger. And these tips are very easy and effective and have really changed my skincare game for me. And you can easily add these tips into your current routine or in your daily lives right now. So let's get started. And the first tip is, it all starts with cleansing. And I know that you've heard this a lot many times before, but it really does matter of how you cleanse your skin properly and with what kind of products you're cleansing your skin. First, I make sure to make the bubble on my hands first. Some people just make the bubble with their cleanser on their face, but you want to lessen any irritation or any tugging or rubbing of your skin that is not necessary. Plus, you do need to bubble up your cleanser to get the full cleansing effect from the cleanser itself. So please remember to bubble up before you rub on face. I like that. Bubble up, bubble up, bubble up, bubble up. So secondly, I use my fourth finger to cleanse. When you first try this out, you might be like, what the freak am I doing right now? And you might feel like it's gonna take you 300 gazillion years to cleanse all of your face. But if you do especially have sensitive skin or weakened skin barrier, please try this method. And by the way, it doesn't necessarily have to be just with your fourth finger, but just be super duper gentle with your skin. Please don't rub harshly. Really aggressive rubbing of the skin or tugging to get your face squeaky clean can lead to wrinkles. Plus, it can actually cause skin barrier damage. So make sure to massage the bubbles with a circular motion gently and then rinse well with lukewarm water. And it's also very important which cleanser that you choose to use. And I want to recommend that you choose a low pH gentle cleanser for your skin. It's really important that you choose something that does not strip away the moisture barrier of your skin. And this is definitely a cleanser that I think this is my fourth bottle now, and I've switched all of my cleansers. Even at Derek's house, even at my parents' house, I threw away a lot of my body showers as well, and I've replaced it with this one. This cleanser contains glycerine, which is a natural hypoallergenic agent that absorbs and retains moisture from the air to keep the skin hydrated. It also has an organic compound derived from coconut oil that maintains the healthy pH level of your skin, and it serves as an alkaline pH buffer agent. And this cleanser has really gentle ingredients, so it can be used by those who are pregnant, their children and babies because of its mild and non-irritating properties. Also, another tip that has changed my skincare game for me is actually ditching my towel after cleansing. I personally have not been using a towel for my face for more than about 15 years now. Towels can easily build up with unwanted bacteria use after use. And using a towel after cleansing to dry your face can cause that bacteria to transfer directly to your skin, which can result in unwanted breakouts and other skin concerns as well. But that doesn't mean that you should air dry your skin either. The best way is to gently soak in the water on your face a bit, and then if you really want to, you can use a towel, but just make sure that you rub really lightly and you don't necessarily have to dry your whole face. Then making sure your skin is still damp, go in with your toner or essence or whatever your first step of skincare may be. So please try these small changes in your cleansing routine. They can really help to make your skin thicker and stronger. So the second tip is 3 skin method. I know that a lot of you guys are aware that 7 skin method was really popular in K-beauty a few years back. As a matter of fact, a lot of people who didn't really know what K-beauty was actually started getting interested in K-beauty because of the 7 skin method. I personally think the first thought that I had was like, why the freak do I need to put 7 different layers of toner on my face? But this was a genius idea. So the whole idea behind the 7 skin layer method is that the moisture level of your skin can be increased in a very effective way without the heaviness or greasiness that may come from other products like creams or oils. It's also a great way to hydrate all skin types, providing the optimal balance of moisture level and skin's natural oils with the dewy, glowy, glassy skin that everybody loves. Also, by layering your toner multiple times, your skin gets to absorb more of that hydrating ingredients in the toner, ultimately giving you that moisturized, thickened, and healthy skin. So the question now is it really necessary to do all 7 layers? And personally for me, my answer is no, because I think it totally depends on your skin concern, skin condition, skin type, and realistically speaking, I don't got the time to do 7 layers every morning and every night, you know what I'm saying? So personally, I want to recommend that you try 3 skin method. 3 layers of your toners. And the reason is because I found that realistically 3 layers was very reasonable to do even for my busy mornings or the times that I felt super lazy and tired at night. And it really did make a huge difference of putting 3 layers on compared to putting just 1 layer of your toner on. If you have never done more than 1 layer of your toner, please try this method. You don't have to buy a new toner, you don't have to buy a new product, or it's not gonna be a huge thing that you have to go out of your way to try. So please, even if you're super busy, just start with 2 layers and then work your way up to 3. This small habit that I've been doing for 3 to 4 years now definitely helps my skin to become more hydrated and in conclusion, more firm and healthier. But make sure that you don't do multiple layers of toners if you have these ingredients. Please avoid harsh alcohol or artificial fragrance. Also, chemical exfoliating ingredients. This one may differ a little bit between the product plus the formulation, but just to be safe because you are doing multiple layers. So I personally love doing the 3 skin method with a viscous toner like this one. This one is free of fragrance, silicone, it's vegan friendly and cruelty free as well. Also, the formula features a very hydrating barrier repair complex to boost your skin's natural barrier to help to thicken skin. Plus, it contains 7 different types of hyaluronic acid, which deeply hydrates and firms skin at the same time. And the name is treatment lotion, but it can be used as a toner. And this one is definitely highly recommended to all skin types, including sensitive, dry, combination, or even oily dehydrated, acne-prone skin types, as well for 3 skin method. So the third tip is to find a gentle exfoliation for your skin. While gently exfoliating your skin a few nights a week is amazing for your skin and is very actually necessary to keep your skin healthy, now it's a very thin line because it's very easy to over exfoliate your skin. If you over exfoliate your skin, it can cause so many skin concerns. Number 1, it can make your skin age faster. Number 2, it can damage and ruin your skin barrier. Number 3, it can make your skin more dehydrated. And that can be like the gateway to a whole new world of skincare concerns. So choosing the right exfoliator for your skin type is really, really important. I think with this one, it can really depend on your skin concerns or your skin types. Personally, for me these days, I've been really liking LHA. And LHA is an ingredient that is a chemical exfoliant, but that is more gentle compared to AHA or BHA. And it also does have a larger molecular size than AHA or BHA. So it sinks down into your skin slowly. So it does feel more gentle on your skin, but it's still very effective in removing your dead skin cells. So this is an amazing ampoule for acne-prone and oily skin types and those who want to care for your blemishes as well. It's a great way to remove dead skin cells gently while helping to control sebum at the same time. It also adds intensive hydration to your skin with 5 layers of hyaluronic acid, and another main ingredient that it has is 85% of neroli flower water, which helps to speed up the production of skin cells. And another really good results that I've seen with this ampoule is that brightening tone improvement, and I believe that comes from that ingredient glutathione. And it did take me some time for me to find really good exfoliators that fits my sensitive skin. And I feel like it will take some time for you as well because there are so many exfoliators out there. And you do really have to find one that is effective yet that will not irritate your skin at the same time. Some of my favorite exfoliators personally for me are enzyme powders and this LHA ampoule that I just introduced you to, and I know that you will also find something that can suit your skin as well. And the fourth tip is to add a Cica product into your routine. Now, a Cica product you can find anywhere. It's so popular in K-beauty. It's so popular, I mean, in the whole skincare industry right now. In those Cica products, you will be able to find an ingredient called Centella asiatica. It's all my favorite, you know what I'm saying? I always talk about Centella asiatica. How much I love that ingredient, of how healing it is, of how it restores my skin. So yes, you get my passion of how much I love Cica products. And I think the main reason is because it really does help to make your skin stronger and thicker. Cica creams or products are actually used a lot in dermatologists after really harsh skincare procedure or some type of laser. It's really effective in restoring your skin and bringing your skin back into that healthy condition. And even if it's not after a procedure, but our skin is bound to get irritated or damaged due to so many different reasons in our lives, like weather changes, stress, hormones, lack of sleep, or even unhealthy eating habits. So it's really important to bring back your skin into a good condition. There are so many Cica creams in the market these days, and you can really find good ones easily. But I wanted to introduce you to this Cica cream because compared to all the Cica creams that I've tried before, I really found that this one calms my skin and heals my skin the fastest. And it's a lightweight balm texture that absorbs into my skin without any stickiness, and it really helps my sensitive and irritated skin with redness and inflammation. It has 5,000 ppm of calamine that is renowned for soothing sensitive skin, and it contains Centella asiatica extracts for calming and anti-inflammatory effects as well. It's a great daily cream for both day and night routine. I personally love doing a very thin layer all over my face, and then I get a very thick chunky layer and I put it on top of like the extra irritated spots or extra red spots, and I use it like this as a spot treatment as well. The fifth tip is facial points for healthier skin. And this is the last tip for you today. And as I'm getting older, I really understand how important blood circulation is. I know that it doesn't come with just aging, but it can come with many different reasons. However, I did feel like I didn't really have a good blood circulation, and even not just for my skin, but for my body as well. I felt like it started causing so many problems for me. So blood circulation is so important, and massaging helps to improve the circulation of our blood, letting important nutrients to circulate through the body, nourishing our skin, plus thickening the skin, making it stronger and thicker. So I wanted to introduce you to this massage that I do, which is super simple and easy. I think anybody can do it, and it doesn't take a long time either. So everyone can kind of invest this short, how many seconds it is for your skin at the last step of my skincare routine, or when my skin is still damped with skincare products. Or you can add 3 to 4 drops of your favorite oil on your face. It doesn't really matter what you use. Using my thumb for at least 60 seconds, I gently press on the facial pressure point. Today, I'm using an oil that contains 9 nourishing and gentle botanical oils. Because I do have acne-prone skin, I prefer an oil with a lightweight texture like this one. And this is very fast absorbing, which I really love. And this oil can be used for both face and body. It has high concentration of olive oil and macadamia seed oil for maximum moisture. Plus, it has camellia oil, which provides essential omega-9 fatty acids, which is a really well-known ingredient to protect and to revitalize our skin's natural oil barrier, which is needed to keep our skin firm and youthful. And this oil does claim that it does help with stretch marks, so I've been using this diligently for my stretch marks around my butt area and around my armpit area. Alright guys, thank you so much for tuning in until the very end, and I hope that this was helpful for you guys, because when I first started off 5 to 6 years back at Wish Trends as the main host, I believed that my skin was really sensitive. I mean, I still have sensitive skin right now, but back in the days it was more sensitive, and I really didn't know how to take care of my skin skin, or I didn't really know how to make my skin stronger and thicker. And these tips that I've shared with you today are actually tips that I've gathered over the 5 years of my life. They have really helped my skin to become stronger and healthier. So I really hope that this video was helpful for you guys. Thank you guys so much. Don't forget to like and subscribe. It really means a lot to me. It like bumps up the algorithm. I will leave the links for the products in the description below, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, my unicorn!